What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to a new video, guys. So today we just pulled up to Erlan's house. We're gonna be working on the E92. So as you guys saw in the last video, if you guys haven't checked out one of the last videos on the E92, we picked it up for $2,000. 6-speed manual N54. Has some side damage that we need to repair, but other than that, it's pretty much a solid running car. So today I finally got all the parts in. I've been waiting for honestly like a month, so I feel really bad. So thank you, Erlan. Huge thank you to Erlan for letting me keep the car here for a whole month. So definitely go check out his channel. Definitely check out his Instagram. I will leave it down below. Huge shout out to him for that. It's really helping me because I don't have any space at my house. But we finally have all the parts here today, and we're gonna start working on it. So hopefully we can get the suspension part done, because the front passenger suspension is all beat up, and it's like the wheel is literally just shaking in the place of it. So it's not really supposed to be doing that. So I have the suspension kit. We're gonna replace that, and then hopefully we're gonna be able to drive the car today, so it'll have its first drive. So let's go ahead, jump right into that. Hello, habibi.
What's shaking, baby?
We recording today.
Everyone's pulling up to Erlan's place, the new YouTuber's headquarters.
New YouTube headquarters over here, boy.
Well, congrats on the whip. This is the first time you've seen it.
This is the first time you've seen it?
Bro, yeah.
Are you serious?
First time, dude.
You haven't been here?
From this side, dude.
It looks really good, huh?
Perfect, dude. So it started up, right?
It started up.
So we just need to fix all the little things. And
yeah.
Then,
I brought every single part today. I just don't have bumpers. That's all I don't have.
I mean, those
we're
are
not gonna
cosmetically.
We're not gonna be able to do it all today, but we're gonna get most of it.
Whatever you can. I mean, that'd be sick.
Exactly.
Oh,
but yeah,
man.
guys, we got the whip over here. We got Nora over here.
Congrats, bro. That's sick.
Thank you, fam. 6-speed.
But
yeah, guys, here she is. So, like I said, if you haven't checked out the first video, we got the 6-speed manual up in here. Whew, I cannot wait to drive this thing. It feels so notchy. There's even a spider web. I don't even know if you guys can see that, but yeah, we got the car over here. I have the current airbag. Literally, guys, every single part is in. So we have the current airbag, we have the front fender, we have the control arms, we have the headlight lens, we also have the tail light back there. So yeah, we pretty much got everything that we really need for this car. So just pretty much ready to start this project.
it's not as bad as the video makes it out to be.
It's really not that bad. The only thing I'm kind of worried about is like,
oh, that's not a big deal. This gets pulled out.
It's gonna need, yeah, it's all gonna need to get pulled out pretty much.
This will all get pulled out. I mean, if you Bondo it out, pull this all out, you're looking at like 300 bucks for just pull out and Bondo. It's just the cost to paint the bumper, the quarter panel, the door, the side skirt, the fender, the bumper, bro, you're looking at a fresh new paint job. So
yeah.
I think you guys should decide what wrap you should go with.
Well, I think I'm gonna paint match it.
Oh,
to
you
be
are?
honest, I'm gonna paint match it first. I don't really like the paint color, but Nick has a guy who does it really good, apparently.
Oh, okay.
And for a great price. The paint is what's good. So he's good at bodywork and paint. So I'm probably gonna do that, and then rock it for a little bit, and then wrap it.
I mean, bro, that is the best way to do it. I'm just saying, in a budget way.
I know.
This is like, for my guy, which is the cheapest guy that I know, would probably be around like 15 to 2K for this job. So like, yeah, I would just go to the $400 wrap and call it a day.
Yeah, I know.
Is it salvage or clean?
Clean title.
Oh, never mind.
Yeah.
If it's a clean title, yeah, definitely paint.
Bro, it's clean
Absolutely.
title. I already started paperwork and everything. Clean title.
Oh, okay, period, dude. No,
that's
I mean,
what I'm saying.
Okay, yeah, if it was salvage title, then yeah, definitely. You know, choose to go the cheaper route. Can you even drive this?
I don't know, bro.
Oh, we haven't driven it
We
yet?
haven't driven it.
Oh, because of that, right?
Yeah, it won't move. So we got to do the suspension.
Bro,
we have.
This was the exact same hit as mine, dude.
Yeah.
Well, I mean, mine's obviously way worse from the front, but like this is my wheel was the same exact situation.
Yeah. So I don't know. I don't really like these wheels, so I'm probably gonna sell these. To be honest, guys, they're 19s, and I want 18s. I like myself some 18 wheels, not 18-inch wheels, not 19-inch wheels. But So if you guys like these wheels, I have a set of 6 and I'm willing to work out a price. It has good tires and everything. So if you guys are interested in these, definitely let me know. It's just these sides are all beat up. The other side is fine. And we got the boy, the main man, Erlan over here.
We were at his house first before even him.
He pulled up a little bit later. I was like, hey, I'm here. He's like, oh snap, I'm 6 minutes away. Got the main man himself. What is going on, fam?
You ready?
Yes, sir. All right, guys. So the one thing that we have to replace is the positive battery terminal, like the cable. So we're gonna go ahead and do that real quick. And to do that, we have to unlock the trunk from over here. So yeah, guys, earlier this month, the car was leaking some like water with like acid, like battery acid. So I'm not sure if we need a new battery or what, but this is what's looking like in here. So we have to replace that right in there. Alrighty guys, so we got the new positive battery terminal right over there installed. So I think what we might do now, we might go ahead try to return this battery, but I think we need to focus on some more important things. So I think I'm gonna go ahead, lift up the car and start taking apart the suspension. Guys, it literally snapped. Look at the control arm, dude.
You didn't see that earlier?
I did not.
They're both freaking destroyed.
Bro, look at this. Guys, this is literally like collapsed. Look at how bad this is. It literally cracked in half. That's how hard the hit must have been. Yeah, and then also the tie rod completely shot. And it looks like this lower control arm as well is really bad. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I'm pretty sure it's bent like right in there. If it wants to focus, but so yeah, we got to replace all the suspension on this side. Hopefully the strut tower, it looks to be fine. For now, it should be good for us to like actually test out the car and see. Alright guys, so we officially got off the bumper and we also got off the headlight. So I ended up buying a headlight lens, so we're gonna hopefully replace that maybe today's video, hopefully, because it's cracked right along here. Hopefully it's focusing, but like right here it's cracked, and then underneath it's cracked as well, so we have to replace the lens. So yeah, like I showed you guys, the whole suspension down here is all beat up, so we have to take all that out. The front bumper is off, so we went ahead and took it off. I don't think I'm gonna bother trying to repair this, because to me, I might as well just upgrade to something nicer. And then there's a few cracked pieces up in here, like this bracket is broken, so might have to end up replacing that. And then these tabs on the headlights were broken as well, but honestly not even gonna worry about that for now. But yeah, so we got off the front, the whole front part that we need to take off, and then we're probably gonna take off the fender as well. Alright guys, so we got off the fender now. Honestly, it wasn't too difficult because most of these tabs were broken up here anyway. Like, see, it's literally like broken part of the fender right there. Alrighty guys, so we're actually gonna be putting in a different battery first to turn it on, so it warms up, because we want to see, we don't want it to be sitting for too long. And also I want to see if the positive battery cable actually works, because I just installed it, so I want to see if it actually works. So we got this old battery. Hopefully it will work. Alrighty guys, we got the battery in there, so I think we're gonna try to start it and see what happens. So I'm gonna get a good angle for you guys. All right, let's go ahead and get this thing started.
Right, you actually don't have tools. It's crazy. All right.
Okay.
Ready? Yes, sir.
Good to know that it works. Yeah. The positive battery cable.
No, but it sounds good, but I think you might have a slight exhaust leak in the front.
I don't know if it's an exhaust leak. I know it's misfiring a little bit.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Well, it was before. It sounds pretty good. I mean,
headlights are working. I saw in your last video.
One headlight.
Like, headlights are not working. I think it's because you didn't have the voltage.
Yeah, no, they're
working out both of them? One of them's off. But that means they both should work.
burbles like crazy.
That smoke thing, no, it's just exhaust.
It's because it's been sitting for a hot minute. It's been sitting
My
for
boys
at least
gonna be, you guys are both gonna be 335ers now. I watched the videos. Do it again. Yeah, it sounds like air is just like loud.
Or you probably have a vacuum leak. Turn it off real quick. This should hiss. Okay. Yeah, you definitely have a vacuum leak somewhere.
Okay. So
That's good. They might not even need the boot. You might not even need the. You said you need a boost solenoid.
yeah, I think that's what it was.
What?
The boost solenoid.
That's what he said you needed, but if you it should you should still hold vacuum.
So what do you think it is then?
I don't know. You just have to go through it. Probably one of these braided lines. Can you listen to my car real quick?
Yeah. No, I know how it's supposed to sound.
Perfectly maintained vacuum system.
So guys, we think my car has a vacuum leak, and we're gonna test Erlan's just to show you guys what it's supposed to sound like.
Might not be able to hear it.
It's been sitting for a little bit.
You ready?
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Yeah. So it's supposed to make a hissing noise, and mine did not. So it definitely has something somewhere, but it sounds very healthy. Like, we have one index 12. We possibly could have two, but for sure we have one index 12 injector, which if you N54 guys know, or non N54 guys know, that those are the best ones and they don't have any problems. So that's good. Other than that, it runs perfectly fine. Now we just have to do the suspension. Alright guys, so we got some of the suspension parts off, so I don't know if you guys can see that right there, but we got those broken pieces off. Now what we're going to do is we're going to replace the tie rod. So I'm going to go underneath, undo the plate that's underneath there, and then unscrew everything and try to get this old tie rod off and then replace that. Alrighty guys, so we pretty much got all the suspension on. So we got the new tie rod on, control arms are both on, so we are good to go. So we're gonna go ahead test fit this Apex wheel that Erlan has and see how this thing looks and fits.
We're also gonna put it on real quick so we can see if the wheel's straight enough.
Yeah, we just want to see if we need to mess with the alignment anymore. Could probably put on the fender today too.
Oh yeah.
It looks like it's facing like...
Do we need to go in more?
Yeah.
Yeah, just a little outward there, huh?
Still a little bit out. So my mic battery actually died, so it's probably really bad audio quality right now, but we're gonna go ahead and put on the fender right now. We ended up fixing the front suspension, so the front suspension is pretty much all good. Now we're trying to fix the back and there's more damage. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys in a little bit, but we're just gonna go ahead and throw in the fender before it gets too dark. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Alright guys, it's the end of the day. I'm really tired. Erlan's over here. Join me in the video. This is where I never record on a tripod. It's so weird like this. I don't record myself like this, but yeah guys, so anyway, we pretty much fixed most of the suspension on the front. We put on the new fender, which is really good. But then we also found out that the rear suspension was a lot worse than we thought. And what did we need exactly? What are you doing?
The brake line.
Oh yeah, we need the brake line. We need a few more control arms, and so it's a little bit unfortunate because I wanted to get it started today, but it looks like we're not going to be able to do that. But everything else went pretty smoothly. We got a lot of work done on it. We also found out that the headlight's not good, so we have to get a different headlight, which is really unfortunate to be honest, because I bought the lens to replace it, but now it's not really going to work at all. But other than that, finally getting some work done, because it's been like a month since I bought it, and it's just been sitting here. So huge shout out to Erlan for letting me keep the car on the side of his house, because bro, I didn't have any space at my house. So we're gonna try to get this thing on the road and then do all the smog stuff and then fix the quarter panel and all of that. So yeah, anyway, hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Remember to subscribe down below. Make sure to check out Erlan's channel if you're gonna be posting, right? Maybe. Check out our Instagrams. I'll go ahead and throw up both of our Instagrams. And then remember to stay safe, stay happy, and stay in the project car. I will catch you guys later.